What?
He's non-stop.
And he's like, he said a shout out for something. Wing nuts, wing something.
I'm gonna remember
He has
him
to be
as
the
much as
worst
the air
salesman.
show.
Oh, there they are. There they are.
Where?
Yeah, there they come.
Oh, wait, that's a bird. But they're over there.
Yep.
The cool kids. I feel like I am so like proud of myself that I caught it right before. Okay, sorry.
She stands still with it.
This is why I'm not good at this
Oh,
stuff.
wow, look at, there they come.
Do you think if they're really good, they get to be at the top, but if they're like really bad, they're in the back?
Do you know one of these is a woman?
Oh, right.
Really?
Yeah.
She's probably the one in the front. Oh, here
Oh,
they
wow.
Oh God, this is gonna like hurt your ears.
Hey, then you kind of built that up. That wasn't that bad. We were kind of expecting a little more, but okay.
See, now where are they?
Where'd they go? There they are.
There's one.
Where?
The other one.
Where?
Went that way.
Oh God, it's starting to rain again.
There's one.
No, it's not. Don't jinx it. No. You're doing a roundabout thing.
Mind your way.
No, it doesn't matter.
They were right there.
Like anybody's gonna watch my films, videos anyways. My one of the last time was at a show, it's all sideways. Here they come. Look at, they're turning. Turning.
Where's the other two then?
They're coming from the sides. You gotta watch those backup ones. That's I guess I should be doing Facebook Live. It would be more effective. But I'm really not that great at those. Where'd they go? I don't see them. Do you?
Raining again.
The one time.
I'm sitting in my chair so it doesn't get wet.
Oh, here they come. Nope. Wait, I hear
There's one, look,
Yeah,
look.
there's one.
Look, see the way they cross? Holy shit.
Uh-oh. Big circle.
Wow, wow.
See the way they went like that?
I see it. Where's the other? Where are the other kids in the party? Where's the multi? Where? They're gone. Well, no, he's over there. Which you probably can't see on this video, but he's that way. That
Oh,
way.
this way. Here they are.
Wait, here they are. And that's a bird.
Eagle.
That bird would be annihilated if it got in front of those.
Oh yeah.
Not be pretty. That would be dinner.
Look how fast they go. They must go away. It's almost happily.
Oh, car alarm.
Yeah.
There they go. Over there.
4 of them. And then there's 2 dogs.
And it's weird, and then they go back home after they do their little thing, like the.
But they could drink tonight, right?
Yeah.
They'd be like, maybe it's better for them this way though. Then they can, you know.
Upside down.
Which
Leave this rain, girls?
Which is the
Get
one?
real out.
Which is the one that tries to break us out? Or is it Bev?
I don't know. I think it's the early one.
Well, that sucks. Here they come.
Where?
Right there.